Our president's gone completely insane. And maybe it's part of the grand plan. Let's see. This video has been inspired by the utter idiocy that our president has been spouting for the last 2 days. People are actually kind of going crazy talking about nuclear weapons and F-15s, and we all know that's bullshit. We got to see between the lines. We have to realize this is just senility coming into play. But some of the other stuff is kind of baffling, and 2 questions can be quickly answered, and I'll give you those answers at the end of this video. For now, watch this.
First, we discussed cracking down, as you heard from the Attorney General, on rogue gun dealers. We know that if there is a strict enforcement of background checks, then fewer guns get into the hands of criminals. Background checks have thus far kept more than 3 million guns out of the hands of felons, convicted felons, fugitive, domestic abusers, and others prohibited from being able to purchase a gun. And there's still too many loopholes in that system. And today, enough rogue gun dealers feel like they can get away with selling guns to people who aren't legally allowed to own them. And I might add, the Second Amendment from the day it was passed limited the type of people who could own a gun.
Yeah, you're wrong.
And what type of weapon you could own. You couldn't buy a cannon. Those who say the blood of patriots, you know, and all this stuff about how we're going to have to move.
And then it begins.
Against the government. Well, the tree of liberty is not water with the blood of patriots. What's happened is that there never been, if you wanted to think you need to have weapons to take on the government, you need F-15s and maybe some nuclear weapons.
What the fuck did he just say?
The last time we had data on this issue of who was purchasing guns was more than 20 years ago.
Did he really just say he's using data from 20 years ago?
5% of gun dealers, turns out, in the study we did, showed that 90% of illegal guns were found at the crime scenes sold by 5% of gun dealers. 5% sold 90% of the guns found at crime scenes. And these merchants of death are breaking the law for profit. They're selling guns that are killing innocent people.
But wait, there's more.
Employers can't find workers. I said, yeah, pay them more. This is an employees bargaining chip now. What's happening? I got them $1.9 trillion relief so far. They're going to be getting checks in the mail that are consequential this week for childcare. The bill on the environment. Why would I not be for it? It's awful hard as well to get Latinx vaccinated as well. Why? They're worried that they'll be vaccinated and deported.
What the fuck is a Latinx?
I'm leaving out a lot of people here. I apologize. I'm going to get in trouble. But anyway, we'll get back to that. But you know, there's a lot that that is happening. Police Chief Murray of the Baltimore, Police Chief Murphy, Paul of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We hold these truths self-evident that all men and women, we haven't lived up to it completely, but we've always widened the arc.
Can you please just finish one fucking sentence?
Of commitment and included more and more people. Those who say the blood of patriots, you know, and all this stuff about how we're going to have to move against the government.
So what have we learned today? Well, yeah, Joe's Joe's losing his mind. Yeah, the administration is controlling him, which makes him a puppet. And have we all forgot that this was more than likely all the plan all along? Can anybody say President Kamala Harris? I hope not. But until then, hey, if you like what I'm doing, keep watching. Click that button down there and like, subscribe, and I'll come out of the dark a little bit more and talk about those kind of things too. Till then, stay safe.